Hi everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart, and I'm back with a little video showing the projects that I made for the It's an Adventure Mama Elephant event virtual retreat. So I am going to be sharing the let's see, the make and take, which is they're calling it a shoebox swap, and also the trading card or the swap card that I made. Now I had a video where I showed you how I made it and all this stuff, and then somehow it got deleted. So oh well. So first let's start with my swap card. So my swap card is this right here. So it's kind of like a, I guess, a pop out, I don't know, you would call it. It's like almost like a box card, but more like a pop-out card. This one got a little kind of smushed. But this took a while to make. So I used a ton of different stamp sets and dies. This is, it's like the arch die, but it goes with, the middle is like an ocean. And so I had covered that part up with these pieces right here, and then just did clouds, and I just made a cute little scene using a variety of different cards, stamps and dies. And then this is what the inside looks like. I think it's very cute. And so they're all in just these envelopes, which I had like just enough envelopes for them. And then I'm going to have my little card that has my name and everything is just going to be tucked in the back there, like that. Okay, then for the shoebox swap. So the idea with the shoebox swap is that you have all the pieces that you need to make the card, and it should only take about 10 minutes to make. So I did most of the stamping and coloring. It's more just putting it together. So I went ahead and I did that card there. So for this card, it's going to, I've got a hinge. So the hinge is going to get glued down. This is going to get glued behind. This is going to get glued down so that this will open. And then I've got these little pieces go in the front. This is a newer die. It's like the art shop die, I think. Anyway, you go ahead and you put these down. And then my words go along the top there, because I'm going to show you what it looks like. And then I have all these little pieces all ready to go for the inside, and it makes a fun little scene. So I have them all in the envelope, just all the pieces ready to go, and then I will show you what it's going to look like once it's all put together. And alright, what the heck, let me put all the pieces inside. Okay, and put this back in there because you have to make 8, I think. So the swap card, you make 24, 23 to trade, and then 1, you know, just for the little contest. And so here is what it looks like. So, isn't that cute? And then you open it up, and then it has this cute little scene inside, and then it opens like this, and then it's already stamped and done inside. So the just doing the hinge and gluing everything, it'll take like 5 to 10 minutes to put it together. So I just made it really easy, all colored in and everything, so that people could just make it really quickly, and so people don't feel stressed out about coloring it. They could just put it together, and it's just super easy. And so that's what I'm gonna make. And so I do plan on making videos on what we did for each day of the retreat, as well as anything we got in the goodie bags, anything I purchased, and all the classes. So there are classes. I did look at the schedule. It's kind of interesting because one of the days there's like a 2-hour gap to like do the photo booth. I'm like, I don't know how to take pictures for 2 hours. So I'm going to bring my knitting and maybe get some coffee and relax during those 2 hours. And so, you know, I'll let you know how it goes. But anyway, it's very exciting. It's finally here. And I hope to see maybe some of you there at this event. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy Create the Heart.